Hey, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Olivia. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of a delicious and nutritious fruit that most of us have in our kitchens, the banana. Bananas are more than just a convenient snack. Beyond their creamy texture and sweet flavor, they pack a powerful punch of nutrients that can significantly enhance your health. From supporting heart health to aiding digestion and boosting your mood, bananas have a lot to offer. So, let's peel back the layers and explore the incredible benefits of incorporating bananas into your daily diet. Potassium powerhouse, bananas are renowned for their high potassium content. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium. By keeping your blood pressure in check, bananas can help reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even kidney stones. Plus, potassium is vital for proper muscle and nerve function, making bananas an excellent choice for maintaining overall bodily health. Fiber fantastic. Bananas are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them a great choice for digestive health. Soluble fiber slows down the absorption of sugar and cholesterol, promoting a feeling of fullness and potentially aiding in weight management. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, helps keep your digestive system running smoothly by adding bulk to the stool and preventing constipation. Together, these fibers support a healthy digestive tract. Energy booster, feeling low on energy? Reach for a banana. Bananas are a natural source of readily available carbohydrates, which provide your body with quick and sustainable energy. This makes them an ideal pre-workout snack or a quick pick-me-up during a busy day. The natural sugars in bananas, combined with their fiber content, ensure a gradual release of energy, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Mood magic. Did you know that bananas can help improve your mood? Bananas contain vitamin B6, which is essential for the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals are crucial for regulating mood and promoting feelings of happiness and relaxation. So, next time you're feeling a bit down, consider reaching for a banana instead of sugary treats. It's a healthier way to boost your spirits. Bone builders. While bananas are not particularly high in calcium, they contribute to bone health in other ways. Bananas contain prebiotics, which promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. These good bacteria play a significant role in nutrient absorption, including calcium. By supporting a healthy gut microbiome, bananas help ensure that your body can absorb the calcium it needs to keep your bones strong and healthy. Post-workout recovery. After a strenuous workout, your body needs to replenish the electrolytes lost through sweat. Bananas are a treasure trove of electrolytes, including potassium and magnesium, which are essential for muscle recovery and preventing cramps. Eating a banana post-workout can help restore these vital minerals, aiding in faster recovery and reducing muscle soreness. Remember, moderation is key. While bananas are fantastic and provide numerous health benefits, consuming them in excessive amounts can lead to high sugar intake. A medium-sized banana a day is a great way to enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. Balance is essential in maintaining a healthy diet. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bunch of bananas. They're a convenient, delicious, and affordable way to boost your overall health and well-being. Whether you enjoy them on their own, sliced over cereal, blended into smoothies, or baked into treats, bananas are a versatile addition to any diet. As always, if you have any questions or specific dietary concerns, be sure to consult your doctor or a nutritionist. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative health and beauty content. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. See you next time.